Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on App Management. Then you need to choose App Cloner and tap on one of the available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, it's only Facebook, so I have to click on it and tap on the switcher next to Create App Clone. Then wait. After that, choose Rename App Clone and name your second app however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish, so now I have to save my changes by clicking at the top right corner of this pop-up. Now when I go back and try to access one of my apps, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!